What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Oak Brothers Garage. Now I'm sitting at the shopping mall parking lot waiting the guy who will bring me the engine control unit, the ECU Master EMU Classic. I choose this one because the guy is selling it actually new with a warranty still. It not supports turbo, as I understand, but my car still be the naturally aspirated, so it's here. It's not the latest actually ECU, it's something in between. It's for Polish market, as I understood from the guy, and there needs to be some cheats with the windows, but then we will see what's gonna happen there. I will show you what's in the box. So ECU Master. Here's wiring diagram. Here's the control unit. These ones actually just arrived fresh and new. Under there's the pins, as you see. Also I have a CAN module. There we go. CAN module and USB wire. Actually, a guy told me that he's also know how to do the wiring, so maybe I will jump to his workshop and do the whole wiring there. And I asked him what about the turbo. He said that this ECU also works with the turbo engine, so this is also a great benefit. Now I will go for lunch and probably that's it. Maybe I will give you some more information. See a link down below. Stay tuned. That was about the engine control unit. So now let's jump back to composite stuff. I just purchased composites for Fender Flares, so finally I can start preparation for the infusion. Infusion I will do the first time in my life. It will be a really nice experience. I will risk and do straight with a carbon fiber. Let's see what I just purchased. There you can see two types of carbon fiber. Maybe you will not gonna see the difference between, but on this one more density as this one. This is both 200 twills. Yeah, so this one actually give us an opportunity to just go with the 3 layers, not with the 4. I will put outside 2 layers, then PVC in between, in some spots actually only. And I will close with this new type for me, carbon fiber. So 3 layers will be also lighter. And I think it should work gorgeous outside. So let's start preparing some stuff today. Here you can see it's for infusions. Here's a plastic bag with some mesh. All the resin will flow through. Another thing, I also have vacuuming tape. Here's the peel ply, just white one, and this is infusion pipe where all the resin goes through. Infusion pipe go all around, and resin flows through it and through the carbon fiber. Tomorrow I can do a infusion. We'll see. And here you can see the carbon fiber, which is with a bigger density, nice, smooth, with the straight lines all around. I'm back in the apartment, as in the garage it's too cold for infusion to make resin liquid. I put it in warm water, about 80 degrees Celsius. So now I will start preparing resin, and now I struggling a bit with the vacuum as loss of pressure. Unfortunately, I can't find this tiny hole. Let's start. I'm back in my garage with a part. Unfortunately, part is unsuccessfully made because here in this corner you maybe see, so here is the line of the resin and here is nothing. It looks like unsuccessful the first time with gaining new experience. Also this corner is unfortunately dry and the vacuum bag not fully sealed, and somewhere was a tiny hole and it came off because I want to sleep during the night, not listening to the vacuum pump. But what to do? We need to remove the bag. We'll see how mold looks on the other side and learn from that. First Fender Flare was absolutely unsuccess. I throw it to the garbage because no go for a car with that quality. Second try was more or less good, but unfortunately vacuum bag was with a tiny hole somewhere and it delaminated in some places on the part. Here you can see how Fender Flare looked after a second try. And now I need to do a third time right side Fender Flare, as this I will not gonna use as a main part, I will use it as a template. And actually now I created another side, a left side Fender Flare, so we have more or less a pair for red ones. And now I need to remove it from the bag because it's just cured. Let's try to remove it and see how my old school technique, wet layup technique, works. Straight out the mold, Fender Flare for the left side. This is my first try for left side and the third part. So I will definitely say this is it. This part will work for a car. Surface, it looks absolutely gorgeous, smooth, perfect here. Maybe in some spots we have some tiny errors, but they are actually fixable. And I think that's it for this episode. Don't forget, like, comment and subscribe, and see you in next episodes.